This is a 1982 FC35 Bluebird Wanderlodge. It has a cruise air. There is a backup camera, another cruise air, should be a 12 kW generator, and a third cruise air. Zip de-awning, pieces of it are missing. Let's go inside. This is a rose-colored interior with a blue accent. Upholstery is going to need some touch-up. It is a turbo. Let's see if I can lift this with one hand. I can't. I don't know if you guys can see under there. There you go. Oh, yep, it is a turbo. It has the forward bath with the sit-down tub. Need to remove the electric heater before you use the bathroom, otherwise it could be a very electrifying experience. The dinette is out. It has an ice maker. Looks like there might have been some water here. Mattress actually looks serviceable. Oh, there's the dinette. So this, I think that's the dinette. It does have the makeup mirror. All right. Three-way fridge is present. No telling if it works. The closet. A little bit of headliner work. Really minor in the grand scheme of things. Upgraded microwave. It does have the blender. Can opener, information panel, a Magic Chef convection oven, 4-burner stove with the cutting board insert. Okay, we're up on the roof. This has the diamond plate roof, one luggage rack. It does have one roof air in addition to the cruise airs. Has evidence of dash air, but that commonly doesn't work, so no telling on that. And then that's the rest of the roof. Alright, so this is a little hard to get to. It is an Onan diesel generator. It is not the Perkins engine, I don't think. It's in here at a 45-degree angle. And it is an air suspension. That's not real easy to tell. Pirelli tire on this end. Probably serviceable for a short trip. Pirelli tire up front. Spare airbag. This does appear to have the swing radiator upgrade. I see some modified metal in here. This is a battery compartment. It's got the 6-volt golf cart batteries. And then this is our sanitation bay. as you would more or less expect. Looks like it's got an inverter back there. The storage bay for this hose is there. And then the rear storage area, a little backup camp stove. And I think there's a lantern in the corner. Bird's nest, Tweety's not included. And that's about it. So there's a little bit of TLC that's needed here at the control module. Can't really tell what's going on. Looks like maybe they were going to hotwire it. I don't know where they thought they were going to go with it, but you know, you'll need to put that back together. It's not, doesn't look terribly like it's a big deal. Seller says they have moved it since that was done.